How you feel?
Okay, traffic, Cessna 965 Quebec is mid-down.
Is there like a runway there that we're doing?
Yeah, that's a runway. Yeah, we're on a taxiway now, but that's the runway he's about to land at. Now I'm just going to do what's called a run-up. We're going to simulate the engine as if there's a takeoff and as if there's a landing and make sure it acts right, basically. So I'm going to close my door. So it gets real now, baby.
Okay, traffic, Cessna 9635 Quebec is turning left down.
Bulk carrier traffic, Scott November 94768, departing the pattern to the east, bulk carrier. I'm going to turn this way, like that. There you go, just like that. Yeah, it's all you. I'm not controlling anything. So you're going to turn inland to the right.
Okay, traffic, Cessna 9635 Quebec is turning left base for runway.
Round it out to the left because you're there now. So turn to the left so you can straighten it out.
Towards me, so this way we go up a little bit, or is it fine?
Oh, do you have to pull up a little bit?
Yeah.
Is that what you're asking?
Yeah.
No, you're good. You're doing really good. The other way you know is like right now you're a little below the horizon because the green dot is below the white line. And power out. Yeah, we're just coming on in, my man.
Carrier traffic, 29 Echoes over final field at 1500.
I did not realize how
You're all right? And look outside. So notice you can barely see the horizon where the sky meets the ground. So you got to push forward a little bit. Push, hey, not too much. There you go, just like that. Pitching up, you can push forward by pitching down slightly. You're good right there. Very good. Very, very good. Got a few clouds over there. It's all good. You can see the ocean over there. How you feel?
good.
All right. Good stuff. Good stuff. That's what I want to hear. Very good. Doing great, man. Now, as you start to level off, I want you to pull back very slightly. There you go.
Bulk carrier traffic, sky high.
There we go. You like driving cars?
It's kind of like it.
Yeah. All right, hold on. I'm going to take off. Taking off.
Whoa.
You fly, it's a three-way handoff. So I'm going to say your controls. You're going to say my controls. And I say your controls, okay? So your controls.
My controls.
Your controls. All right, you got it. Really slowly. There you go. Let it come back. And stay right there, just like that. You can hold firm now. You don't have to push up or down. That's good where you are. How you feel? Good? Yeah?
Here, take it.
Oh, you want me to take it now? All right, my controls. All right. You did good. You got to see what it was like. Very good. Very, very good. Huh?
I think I'm not going to do this. Too scary.
But you know, you did really good. You might not think you did, but you really, really did good. Really, really good. Your sister was like, really, you know, she would have much bigger movements. But, and then she calmed down. She got the swing of it and she slowed down. But you started off really smooth. That's really, really good. Very, very good.
Because I watch videos of airplanes.
Very good.
Sometimes on roller coasters, I just close my eyes and just get over it.
I got you. I understand. I understand.
Waiting.
Yeah. I understand that. There we go.